Hey there, this is Hafiz from PTE School. Today I'm making this video to let you know that how you can get the pre-made sentence structures or templates that we call in PTE Academic for your speaking and writing sections. You have to understand that when you are thinking about template, usually there are total 5 type of questions where you can use the template. From this particular image, you can see that in this particular part that we can use the templates in speaking sections called describe image, Retell lectures, and we can use in writing summarize written text or an essay template, and we can use in listening summarize spoken text. In this particular video, you can understand, and for most importantly, that you can get all the templates from one sources. But definitely, if you want to know detailed way of using that so that you can maximize your score, you have to sit with me so that I can show you that how you can maximize your score. One important thing, try to understand and develop that mindset that template cannot help you get the score. Template is just helping you how to write better, so that you should not make any academic writing part. That is, when you are writing in an academic style, you're not making any kind of mistakes. However, your score is depending on the quality of your content, that how better content you have found from the audio, from the passages, or from the question itself. Definitely you have to avoid two important mistakes, that is called spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes, because when you write using template, many people don't have enough time for the proofreading. So definitely you have to work. And for speaking, that is describe image and Retell lectures, you have to make sure that you are talking continuously, you are speaking fluently. I said a big no of 4 things. Number 1, no hesitation. Number 2, no mumbling like r. Number 3, no extra pauses. And number 4 is no extra delay, a long delay. So you have to speak continuously. So we will be using 5 type of templates in PTE Academic, where 2 templates are linked with speaking and 3 templates are linked with uh, writing. But you have to see that one task is it's a part of the listening, so it also gives you a score in the writing section. So 2 summaries, summarize written text, summarize spoken text, and essay, and these are the part of the writing sections, and describe image and Retell lectures is a part of the speaking section. Let's move on. So you can see here the describe image template. Definitely you can understand, you have to work on this, and it is the Retell lectures template. It is the summarize written text template. It is the write essay template. You can find it from here, and it is the summarize spoken text template. Even you can find it out that what's the difference between 2 students who memorize templates and who doesn't. So the differences you can find out from here. And most importantly, there are a couple of frequently asked questions. You can see here the one question is, what are templates in the context of the PTE Academic? Then the second one is, what are the main benefits of using templates? The third one is, how do template help in the speaking section? Then number 4 is, how do template improve fluency and confidence in speaking? Then, are templates useful for writing task in PTE Academic exam? How do templates help in essay writing? Can templates help with grammar and spelling? Are there any drawbacks to using templates? Is it necessary to use templates to score well in PTE Academic? And how should I practice using templates effectively? And can templates be used all types of questions in PTE Academic? So I will suggest to you that why template is important. You can see some of the video testimonials over there so that you can understand what you should do. But one thing is very important here, mate. The thing is understanding the concept, So you can see that why is template important. I have written at the very beginning, template is a pre-structured set of sentences that already made, that you just follow, and we call it medicine approach. That is, you having a medicine, and then you are taking care of the health, that is what are the diseases you have. So it's some sort of pre-structured, and to guide your response to a specific task, these templates provide a standardized format for organizing and delivering your answer, ensuring that your response are coherent, very much logical to each other, fluent, you're speaking fluently, or well structured, you're writing in a well structured manner. Templates can be particularly useful in speaking and writing sections of the PTE academic exam, where time management and clarity are crucial, because as you know that in PTE academic, when you are writing an essay, you should write within 20 minutes. So if you write down by yourself a new essay with your thoughts, it's not that much possible because you have to type. So template can help you to write within 15 to 16 minutes, so the rest of the minutes you can focus more on spelling checking, proofreading, and grammar checking as well. So hope this video will help you to understand. The link will be given in the below, so they can click the link, access that particular templates, all the templates in one places. However, if you're not understanding that how to use, or you're using and you're not that much confident that how you're using in the logical way and proper way, you can sit with me so that we can discuss together and help you to understand how better you can perform, so that you can maximize your score in this 5 type of task where you are using template: describe image in the speaking, retell in the speaking, and summarize a spoken text, summarize written text, and essay. These are the part of writing. Thank you very much. See you next time. If you have any further questions, let me know, or you can text me on WhatsApp. We can discuss more. Remember, understand the template fast. It's not about you should memorize. You have to memorize, but without understanding, if you memorize, it will not work the way you are expecting. Many people face difficulties just using the template, and they're using template, but that is not 100% right. You have to understand this is a pre-made sentence structures. You have to understand the logic behind this. You have to make sure that the way you are using it is the correct manner or not. Otherwise, it will not help you that much. So make sure, if you have any doubts, let me know so that I can help you. Till then, thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time, and keep practicing.